In this video, we're going to look at corrections for question 43 and 44. Let's read. At a stall, each cup of bubble tea was sold at the same price. It was sold at the same price. Estra wanted to buy 6 cups of bubble tea. Wow, 6 cups. That's pretty lots of sugar. Alright, 6 cups of bubble tea, but he is short of 560. So it means that he is not able to buy 6 cups, right? Because he needs another $5.60 more than the money that he currently have. So the money that he have is not enough. He needs another $5.60 so that he is able to afford the 6 bubble tea. Now he's smarter. Instead, he bought 4 cups instead. So to buy 4 cups, to afford the 4 cups of bubble tea, he needs to use the money he have. This time round, after he used his money, he is left with $1.80. So it means that the 4 cups of bubble tea is cost lesser than the money he have. So this cost of 4 cups of bubble tea is lesser than the money he have by $1.80, because this is what is left over, the change that he got after he buy 4 cups of bubble tea. Now, let's draw a model to represent the money he have, the money that Astra have. These two data, which is the money that Astra have, is the same. So let's look. I'm going to highlight the part which shows the money he have. So this yellow part shows that this yellow part shows the money that Astra have at first. Okay. So why are there two? Because it is to represent. Because this model here represents the cost of 6 bubble tea, while this represents the cost of 4 bubble tea. Let's look at the cost of 6 bubble tea. We know that he is not able to afford the 6 cups of bubble tea, while he is able to afford 4 cups. So let's look at the cost of 6 bubble tea. He needs another $5.60, right, to be able to buy 2 cups of to be able to buy 6 cups of bubble tea. And if he were to buy 4 cups of bubble tea, he will be left with $1.80. So we can see that in each unit, which represents a cup of bubble tea, here is 1 cup, here is 2 cups, 3 cups of bubble tea, 4 cups of bubble tea. He can buy 4 cups of bubble tea and is left with $1.80. So $1.80, which is this unit. This is $1.80, and this is $5.60. So to find the cost of 2 cups of bubble tea, it is $1.80. It is $1.80 plus $5.60. So 2 cups of bubble tea is $5.60 plus $1.80. Let's do working. That's $7.40. So to find the cost of 2 cups of bubble tea, we split $7.40 into 2 to find 1 cup of bubble tea. So the cost of one bubble tea is $3.70. Now let's look at question 44. Identical squares to make the figure below. Area of the figure is 294 square centimeter. We want to find the perimeter, which means the outline of the figure. It means that a square has 4 equal sides. So all 4 sides are equal. Now that we know that area of 6 squares is 294 square centimeter, we can find the area of 1 square. To find the area of 1 square, simply divide 294 divided by 6. One square is 49 square centimeter. So it means that 1 square is has an area of 49 square centimeter. And we know that this is a square, so it means that all 4 sides are equal. To find the side of the square, we know that we can take the side, which is the question mark, times the side, which is also the question mark. It will give us the area, which is 49 square centimeter. So area of square is side times side. Side times side. But we do not know what's the side. However, we know that the area is 49. And the side, which is the question mark, is the same number, has the same number, because these 2 question mark here are the sides of a square. And all 4 sides of a square are equal. It means that it has the same number. So this means we are going to use square numbers. Let's think. Is this 1 times 1? 1 times 1 is 1. It is not 49. So nope, the side is not 1 cm. How about 2 times 2? Is the side 2 cm? No, because 2 cm times 2 cm would be 4 square centimeter. So it's not 2 as well. Now let's try a bigger number. How about 6 times 6? 6 times 6 would be 36. But is it 49? Nope. So the side is not 6 cm. How about 7 cm? 7 times 7, is that 49? Yeah, it is 49. So the side is 7 cm. 7 is 49. Now that's not the final answer because we are finding the perimeter of the figure. So to find the perimeter of the figure, I'm going to erase this first, not to confuse. I'm going to write down what I have found, which is the side of a square. That's 7. So we know that this is 7, 7, 7. This is 7. This is 7. I'm just going to focus on the outlines because we are going to find the perimeter. 7. And do you realize this small little length that we are not able to find? Let's just hold on to that thought first and just continue finding all the 7s that we could, which is the sides. 7. I'm going to just highlight the ones that I'm not able to find. yet. And I know that this is also 7.
This is also 7. Another one that is not 7. 7 and 7.
Do you realize that in this length here, there are 3 groups of 7? 1, 2, 3. And right now, we only have 1 group over here, 2 groups of 7. So it means that the blue line is actually 7. When I combine the 3 blue lines, this blue line, this blue line, and this little blue line, it is equal to 7. So now let's find out how many 7s, how many groups of 7s do we have. I'm going to use a yellow one. A yellow one to circle all the 7s that I've written, okay? Let's go. 1 groups of 7, 2 groups of 7, 3 groups of 7, 4 groups of 7, 5 groups of 7, 6
groups of 7, 7 groups of 7, 8 groups of 7, 9 groups of 7, 10 groups of 7, 11 groups of
7, 12 groups of 7, 13 groups of 7, and finally, not forgetting about the combined length of the 3 blue lines, that is 14 groups of 7. 14 groups, okay? Please put a 1 in front. It's a 14 groups of 7 centimeter. So let's do workings. 14 times 7.
28, 7, 98. So the parameter is 98.
And the units is centimeter. So let's write down our answer with the units 98 centimeter. Do your corrections for all of the questions. If you got a wrong, put a cross. If you got a tick, put a tick for yourself. Okay? And you may replay the video again to better understand the explanation. Alright? And remember to write all equations, workings, and annotations that I've written. If you have any questions, please e-campus message me. Alright? Okay, bye.